Hello students. Here's a question from iitjee 2012 which says if a, b, c are unit vectors satisfying the given equation, then modulus of 2a vector plus 5b vector plus 5c vector equals to what? Now we will start by using the property of modulus of the vectors and write the given expression as a minus b dot a minus b plus b minus c dot b minus c plus c minus a dot c minus a equal to 9. Since we know that mod of vector p whole squared can be written as p dot p. Now furthermore, when you simplify, this will get you a dot a, which is mod of a square, and similarly mod of b square and minus 2 times a dot b, and similarly for the other terms. And finally, this simplifies as 2 times mod a square plus mod b square plus mod c square minus a dot b minus b dot c minus c dot a equal to 9. So when you simplify it further, you know that these vectors are unit vectors, so their modulus will be equal to 1. So putting their values as 1, we get a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a equal to minus 3 by 2. Now we know that mod of a plus b plus c whole square is given by mod a square plus mod b square plus mod c square plus 2a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a. Putting the values here, we get 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 times minus 3 by 2. So this comes out as 0. Now mod of a plus b plus c is 0 means a plus b plus c has to be equal to 0. Now we can use this expression to evaluate the question that is given to us as mod of 2a plus 5b plus 5c. We can write it as 2a plus 5 times b plus c, and b plus c we can replace by minus of a, since a plus b plus c is 0. So 2a plus 5 times minus a, and that gets you 2a minus 5a, that is minus 3a minus 3a, modulus of that. So answer will be 3 times modulus of a, but modulus of a is 1. So the answer finally comes out as 3. So that is the answer for this question.